Gone are the days you need to go to the gym for a good workout session. With the world becoming more health-centric, there are several exercises that you can do right on your bedroom floor. Hey there, viewers, and welcome back to another Bestie video. Are you looking to give yourself a healthy start? Don't have time or energy to go to the gym? Don't sweat, we got you covered. There are numerous types of exercises that can be done on your bedroom floor that engage and stretch all your muscle groups. And in today's video, we'll tell you which ones. Can squats and burpees be done at home? Will jumping jacks work? What about dreadful planks? Let's get to the exercises you can do from home. The warm-up. All exercise should begin with a good warm-up session as it improves performance. Warming up and stretching dilates the blood vessels, which supplies oxygen to the muscles. This helps raise the temperature of the muscles, which gives you more flexibility and better performance. By slowly raising the heart rate, it also helps minimize the stress on your heart that happens as a result of exercising. Doing butt kickers, lateral side bends, leg bends, and jumping rope are all good options for warm-ups. Now on to the good stuff. Number 1. Sit-ups. Starting our list off with one of the classic exercises for the abdomen. This exercise doesn't need any machine or weights, just body weight to strengthen, stabilize, and tone the core. To do this, lie on the floor, face up with knees slightly bent. Your right hand should rest on your left shoulder and vice versa. Curl up slowly in a controlled manner while engaging your core. Lower yourself back onto the floor in the same manner and repeat this process until your set is done. What's your favorite ab exercise? Tell us in the comments below. Number 2. Planks. Crunching falling flat? Nothing is more beneficial than planking on your bedroom floor. Even an hour of crunches won't match the benefits of doing just 10 minutes of planking. A strong core means strong support for the entire body. For this, you'll have to bend your elbows in a push-up position with all your weight focused on your arms, shoulders, and forearms. Be sure that your whole body is in a straight line from shoulder to ankles. Start off by holding this position for 30 seconds and gradually push your limits. Number 3. Jumping jacks. Jumping jacks is one way of getting your share of cardio anytime and anywhere. They get your heart rate up, which is great for keeping it healthy and boosting metabolism. Start off with your feet together and knees slightly bent. Keeping the knees bent, you have to jump and open your legs and arms on either side wider than shoulder length. In another jump, you'll have to bring back your arms and legs to the starting position. Number 4. Burpees. This quick body weight exercise doesn't require a special setting to burn fat quickly. It also builds muscle at an equally quick pace. Burpees work your arms, back, chest, core, glutes, legs, you name it. For doing a classic burpee, you'll have to get into a standing position first, followed by dropping down into a squat position with your hands on the ground. Then kick both your feet back to assume a high plank position. Jump your feet back towards your hands and leap up in the air with hands raised above your head. Number 5. Jump squats. Jump squats are a great way of increasing explosive power and burning more calories than regular squats. This exercise is great for athletes because doing it regularly improves the ability to move quicker. For this, stand with feet hip-width apart, toes pointing out. Sit back in a squat position with all your body weight focused on the balls of your feet. You'll have to jump up and land lightly back on the balls of your feet and back into the regular squat position. Number 6. Mountain climbers. Mountain climbers are a quick way of developing core strength, agility, and cardio endurance. Involving several muscle groups, they are a total body workout clumped into one. They are great for the quads and to stabilize the core and upper body. Being a cardio exercise, mountain climbers burn calories and strengthen the heart as well. The exercise starts with a plank position where you'll have to pull your knees towards your chest. Switch legs while doing this and remember to keep your hips down and maintain strong form. Number 7. Bicycle crunch. Looking to shed a couple of pounds or improve core strength from the comfort of your room? Enter bicycle crunches. This is a laying down exercise with your lower back and shoulders pressed flat on the ground. With your hands on either side of your head, lift one leg and extend it off the ground. The other leg will then have to be lifted and bent towards your chest. Then twist your core so that your right elbow is able to meet the left bent knee. Alternate this process on either side. Before we move forward, here are 10 quick and effective exercises that would melt away that stubborn belly fat. Now let's get back to exercises that can be done on the bedroom floor. Number 8. Russian twists. Russian twists are one exercise that requires very little space. This is a very simple core exercise. If done right, will give you some defined abs and midsection. It enables you to quickly change direction, develop core strength, and get rid of love handles. Make sure that your body is bent back at a 45-degree angle. You can do this by tightening your abs and pressing your butt on the floor. Bring your hands together and twist your body side to side. Number 9. Leg raises. Leg raises, which is an easier version of the leg drop, helps in building up the core while lying down. If you're looking to work your legs and lower abdomen, then this exercise will strengthen and tone the calf muscles, glutes, and hamstrings. All you have to do is lay flat on your back. Bring both legs together and raise them. Bring them back down in a controlled manner without touching the floor. Doing this repeatedly every day will make your lower abs strong. Looking to challenge yourself? Instead of simple leg raises, you can even incorporate scissor kicks, which follow the same basic circuit. Number 10. Supermans. Doing Supermans will strengthen the muscles that run all along the spinal cord. This improves spinal stability while preventing unwanted movement in the lower back region. It's also been deemed as the most effective, equipment-free way of boosting core strength. Lay on your stomach with legs extended fully out, head and spine relaxed and neutral. Raise your arms and legs together a few inches against gravity by bringing together all your core muscles. Hold this position for 3 to 5 seconds before dropping back into a lying position. Number 11. Calf raises. If low-impact exercises are something you're looking for, then calf raises are a great way to go. A strong set of calf muscles ensures balance, stability, and a lowered risk of developing ankle or knee injuries while running or jumping. Start by standing up straight. Push your body upwards through the balls of your feet until you are standing on your tippy toes. Then lower your body very slowly and carefully back to your original standing position. This has to be one of the easiest exercises that you can include in your everyday life. Cooldown. The cooldown is just as important as the warm-up. After doing any kind of exercise or physical activity, your heart rate stays up along with your body temperature. Your blood vessels are also in a dilated state. Stopping too fast would make you feel sick and maybe result in you passing out. Always remember to gradually stop instead of suddenly. It's a good idea to do some stretching exercises as a cooldown. This is mainly to reduce the lactic acid buildup in the muscles so you feel refreshed rather than sore. You can also walk it off for 5 minutes or at least until your heart rate is lower than 120. Remember to hold each stretch for at least 20 seconds. Have we convinced you to abandon the gym forever? Full body exercises focusing on a certain set of muscle groups can all be done from the comfort of your bedroom. Not only are these exercises effective, but they also redefine workout sessions. Finding it hard to pick out the right exercise? Here are some beginner exercises to choose from. You can also pair your exercise routine with these healthy foods. These 2 videos will give you all the information you need for a healthy lifestyle from home. Do you work out regularly? What's your go-to choice of exercise at home? Let us know in the comments.